Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today I will compare two LCD TV in this video. So let's go, now enjoy this video. Firstly, we start design. Dimensions 56.9 into 32.8 into 2.2 inch without stand, 56.9 into 33.7 into 13.6 inch with stand, and 1231 into 780 into 338 mm. Weight 27.1 kg without stand, 28.3 kg with stand, and 31 kg. Mounting hole pattern 300 into 300 mm and 200 into 200 mm. Special features: XR backlight master drive, PS5 features, game menu and eco dashboard, IMAX enhance, and only IMAX enhance. Tuners attached 3.0 USA, DVB T2 S2 C Europe. Part 2 Display. Display type LCD. Backlight mini LED zone dimming and VA. Screen size 55, 65, 75, 85 inch USA Europe. Display resolution 4K. Refresh rate 120 Hz. Brightness 1750 nits and 770 nits. Display colors 1070 million. Pixel density 52 ppi. Bit depth 10 bit. Video processor XR processor. HDR formats HDR10 hybrid long gamma Dolby Vision IQ. Part 3 Connectivity. Number of HDMI 4 2 into HDMI 2.1. USB ports 2 into USB A. Wi-Fi 6 802.11 AX and Wi-Fi 5 802.11 AC. Bluetooth 5.3 and 4.2. Part 4 Features. TV platform Google TV. Version at launch 12 and 9.0. OS updates yes. AirPlay yes. HomeKit yes. Chromecast yes. Voice assistant Google Assistant Alexa. Part 5 Audio. Speakers 40 watt 2.0 acoustic multi audio and acoustic multi audio 65 inch plus. HDMI ARC and EARC yes. Dolby audio yes. Dolby Digital Plus yes. Dolby AC4 yes. Detached audio yes. Detached digital surround yes. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to my channel.